Hi guys, this is Curious Kathy. For this video, I want to take you to Cagayan de Oro for a white water river rafting adventure. It's so much fun. Let's go! This was an unforgettable experience for me and my hubby Farouk, and we really enjoyed it. Here's some tips for you fun-loving adventurers. Most important thing I'm going to tell you is that don't forget to tip your guides. There's usually 1 to 2 guides and a camera guy, so don't forget to show them some love. For this trip, we used Cagayan Outdoors. Just ask your hotel about them and they are highly recommendable. They're really good. You guys are gonna love them.
Pray for her. Oh, you can use your paddle. So if the distance is like... When whitewater rafting started here early 90s, this river is very narrow. You can only experience here standing.
Just singing in the rain. Oh, umulan. Nag-rafting ng may ulan. Woohoo! Extreme adventure. And look, there is a bridge over troubled water. Ooh, what's this? This bridge is still standing. Wow, look at that.
So this time I have a plan to go to the K2. K2 is the second highest mountain in the world. So ay wala na gid ko nagdahom na kanang wala nasa kong utok yun. Wala na yabog yun.
So there it is. I hope you guys like it. And this is Curious Kathy saying, life is an adventure, so be curious. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace.